Bargains. This mayonnaise is £1.99, but these big ones are so heavy. These are nice, but the glitter goes everywhere on them. They're really light in Home Bargains. Very nice, but the glitter goes everywhere. Another one of these cold. It's really cheap in Home Bargains, they're quite dear in Boots. I'm going to try some of this Akina Force to see if it works. Do we need the light on? I expect so. I got this from Home Bargains. I'll look at it in a minute. I went into a central shop and I got some Lions mince pies. I've got some of this. Let me just put the light on. It's a bright day, but got to find a frying pan to do that in. At a friend's house. He's been looking at it, going to see his sister in the week, and she's got a cold, and I think he's brought it back and given it to me. Oh dear. Got this from Home Bargains. It's a nice soft feel one. And this is, I've got one of these before in white. This is a pink one. False nails. No, I must admit I don't wear the things. Some of those, both from Home Bargains, but from the central shop I've got some lentil chips, chilli and lemon flavour. I've not tried those before. If I have, I don't remember. Quinoa chips in hot and spicy, it says. These are all from like a central shop. I feel sorry for them because they're losing all their trades at Home Bargains. So I've got some kettle, sweet chilli and sour. All you'll hear is rustle, rustle, rustle. You'll say what she's saying. You're actually listening. Hummus chips, chilli and lemon. That's all from the central store. I got this from Home Bargains. I think that's the one I wanted to get from Boots one day, and it was, of course, much more, far cheaper in Home Bargains than it is at Boots. Two of my favourite Guinness chocolate bars from Home Bargains. Oh, have they got the original wrapper back, or is it? Never mind, you won't be interested in that. From a Co-op, a Binky lipstick in gingerbread. Quite a nice colour shade. Sorry about the music in the background. I hope I'm not going to get a copyright claim. Damnation. I forgot that was on. There's a nice little tin from Home Bargains. And I got that chocolate, this chocolate bar, from the Co-op. Gluten-free Malto. I think it's hazelnut praline. I'm going to try and I can tell you what it's like. Because I also got from the Co-op this, but a Vindaloo mix. But it's got a hole in the top of the bag now, so I don't know if that happened at my friend's house where he's got mice, or whether it, I don't know if it happened down there when I left the bag in his hall, or whether it happened because I left those downstairs here last night. Because there's mice are supposed to be like in decline now, but I don't know, they seem, I don't think they are, not from what I can gather. Now, what else did I get from Thursday? I got something different on Thursday. I got absolutely mad if those things got loose in my bedroom. They came in here. Because I keep quite a lot of food in here. I got these from the independent health food store on Thursday. Coconut one. These are quite nice, and this one's got yogurt coating as well. I was going to try this and let you know what it was like, wasn't I? I've never tried a gluten-free chocolate bar before. Oh, I changed the radio channel because I forgot I had music on. Sorry you have to bear with me. Oh, they look quite nice. Yeah, nice. I'm not crazy about mince pies, but I haven't noticed those. I remember those from my childhood. Also from the co-op, I got a Binky eye pence, and I like these because they're retractable, but they're the retractable ones. See? And they're good. I like those. Correction 2000 used to do one similar. Well, I've just been downstairs to get some other things I got. What's this? Oh, from the co-op, lime and citrus fragrance. I'm sure you don't want to see it. Anyway, got these from Home Bargains. They're rather nice. The rose gold Christmas decorations. Lovely Christmas bag. Nice picture, isn't it? Nicer without that moved out the way from Santa. 25th of December it says on there. It's quite nice, isn't it? Isn't that pretty? Let me put it that way and then it's nice. And okay, dark I know, but it's not nice to think that mice have been walking about all over everything in my bags. Blighters. You can get those humane traps. I've caught them before and then released them somewhere. And I caught loads of them. A little family. Of course, rats are far too intelligent. Anyhow, of course the little cat doesn't come in here much now. I don't think they have to come. Of course, in the old days there were always mice around. That's why they were called house mice. People lived with them, rats and mice. They were always around. I was looking at the Wild Rats Facebook page. A lady eating her breakfast with wild rats crawling out, walking over her legs, and by a pond. It was idyllic. But you know, people don't want them in your house, obviously. They used to be in my friend's house. I'd be sat there in the kitchen and they'd be on the floor, but coming up to your feet. Throw crumbs down. But, most people are so far removed from nature, they don't... Anyhow, that's nice, isn't it? Isn't that lovely? All things like that for dollies and everything, so... yeah. To be honest, I despair of the way the world is. The way, you know, most people, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's all they can say. Oh my god! That's like, you know, that's the limit of their vocabulary. Oh, don't get me started on it. Yes, I think I've shown him, pom pom purring. Oh, I got some more dollies. I found that dress for her. She's a, what do they call her? She's a Chelsea dolly. She needs earrings. I've put Tanith here in the dress that she was in her box that she came with. I don't think she had a chance to wear it. But it's okay on her. And this lovely Nolee doll. I think I've got one that might be the same, called Evelyn. Of course, because she's dark-haired, she blanks out the, this is what darkness does, you see, it makes everything go washed out. Let me see if I'm in my light background, it might make a difference. No, she's blanking things. It's so pretty though. And there's the Sound Lounge Nolee. Oh, you've seen her before, she's very pretty. And I want to put different, I'm going to keep this one to put different outfits on there because, you know, I've got about 3 Nolee Sound Lounge. I showed you these, didn't I? The Halloween lights. So I've got so much stress and worry at the moment, so if I'm sounding even more miserable than usual, it's not miserable, it's just worry and anxiety and despair, basically. Right, now that's that. Did I show you that pretty makeup bag? And Goody Tama, so cute, look. Bacon blanket. Goody Tama. What else was there? I'm sure there was something. You've seen my Dalek light, haven't you? We need the light out to show him, don't we? The light out. Isn't he lovely? He looks nice at night with the light out.
Congratulations.
Just make sure no darkness anywhere, because it just... Oh. New outfit for Natalia. Looks more suitable for summer than winter. But where's her necklace gone? Oh. Always seems to go around the wrong way. There we go. Yeah, she's blanking things out. So that's made that with a balloon, and I found the top for her. So that's nice. Oh, Dolly in the new outfit. Together. She needs earrings. That's a nice outfit for her. And this curiously though, Chelsea needs another outfit, I think. There's poor little somebody up there. Oh, somebody. Look at that pretty little somebody up there. Yeah, I've opened these at last. Rotten cold. Not even in the winter yet. We're still only autumn's not finished yet, and I've got an absolutely rotten cold. My friend bought it from his sister. She had it, and then he brought it over to me. He hasn't got it yet, but anyway, I'm having some baby sham with. Oh, I hate the winter in Britain. I wish I could. Yeah. Anyhow, I'm gonna dunk some in some baby sham at one of these in a moment. Oh dear. I've done any baby sham for a while. Right, let me dunk one. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Oh dear. Oh. Oh my giddy aunt. Sandalo shower gel. Let's see what this is going to do, shall we? Okay, we're blue. Blue. And we're cold. And we have a cold. But we don't give up. Oh. Yeah. Onions are supposed to be good for colds, coughs and whatever, so I'm doing these for 10 minutes. Anywho, I did this yesterday and then just put them in a bowl with a bit of butter on, a bit of cheese, I think goat's cheese. They were nice. Now I've got to clear these bits away. Onions. These are really nice, these mince pies. Very nice. I like the idea of these waitresses. I wish I could go to a tea room where the waitresses were wearing nice black and white uniforms. Here we are. 10 minutes later. Butter and goat cheese. Very nice. Yeah, Daddy's out there looking for a tiny... Yes, Daddy's out there looking for a tiny puss. Well, he isn't actually. He's out there mucking about with his bike and looking cold in the freezing wind. Doesn't even care where the tiny puss is, does he? Daddy doesn't care. Doesn't care where little puss is. He does really. I'm sure he does. I've got them too. Nothing for a tiny cat. Christmas tree up a week ago and the cold started, but so I just put a few decorations up. I did that at the start of the week when I was just starting this cold. I haven't got lights on it yet. That's something of a small haul from Poundland. We'll look at these in more detail in the... As I was saying, this smells nice. And there's a pretty mermaid dolly, a different one this time. There was one with blue, but she had plain hair. This to repel the small critters that come in, and a new unit. So yeah. And we've got a pom-pom purring product as well. But mermaid dolly lights up. She's got a thing in her back and her tail lights up. There. Can't get the screws out though, so her batteries are non-replaceable. Unfortunately, her batteries are not replaceable, and she looks a bit dim. Doesn't look that bright, does she? Her tail is... Can't see any way of changing the batteries. Let's see if we can change the light sequence. This is just going to go quickly, isn't it? If you know. But don't suppose you're meant to put her in water, otherwise... Hang on, let's put the light out a momento. Nice colour change. Oh, where are we? Sort of changes the sequence as well. And she's got earrings, which is always a bonus. Very pretty. But yeah, I'd like to be able to change those batteries so that... Because you can't change them in her tail, it's hollow. As you can see, but there are screws in her tail, but it must be in her back somewhere. If anyone knows, please let me know. She's so pretty. Such a pretty dolly. Got this little one. These are very nice, these are. Coffee. Oh. Nice. It's a pretty dolly. Oh, I should can light her up in the day. Sorry, my voice is. My friend gave me this, and now he's got another one, so I expect this. Oh God, I hope. Knowing my luck, I'll get rid of this by Christmas, and then I want to start. I want to start just all over Christmas. That's what usually happens. But I'm trying to be positive here. But when you get chest trouble, and I had pains in both lungs as well, and I was coughing. It's a worry. It could have been because I coughed so much and sneezed so much. But yeah, she's pretty, this dolly. How do we turn her off then? How do we switch it off? Oh, come on. There. There we go. I haven't named her. Not yet. Not yet. Oh, my poor camera just dropped it again. Oh, these are nice. Pretty. It's unusual. I'll get this one for £2.99. So I'm going to eat all day. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Nice. Where's the Guinness? There's my Guinness jockey. Goodness for home bargains. Home bargains. Yeah, a lot new to Argos, soft and slow squishes. Rather nice. The gingerbread in Starbucks today. For braving the weather, I've got the cinnamon and it's rather nice. Oh, it's gingerbread flavoured cream, it's really nice. These are the best ones.